Ciao everyone, welcome back to another slow fashion video. How are you all doing? Hope you've had a great week. Hope you're doing well. Today, I will hopefully, as you are watching this, be arriving in Portugal, where I will be staying for the next 3 months. So I thought I would share with you a travel capsule, what I've packed for these 3 months. I'll get into a little bit why we decided to travel, and like I said, what I'm packing. We'll throw some looks together to make sure that everything works, what jewelry I'm bringing, all that fun stuff. If, for whatever reason, we don't make it to Portugal, because that's just how life goes these days, things don't always work out, then at least you'll have a little 3-month travel capsule waiting for you whenever you need. So there you go. No such thing as wasted content. If you like this kind of video that encourages creativity instead of consumption and shopping your closets and all things slow fashion, hit subscribe below. You can also find me on IG, and you can also find me at my live Shop Your Closet studio events where I style people in real time based on learning elements of style and how to break out outfits and fashion in general into elements that we can actually manipulate ourselves. So allowing you to be your own editor and stylist. That was a mouthful. Let's jump on in. Where to begin? At the end of 2019, we found ourselves in a position to be able to travel for longer periods of time, but we all know what happened in 2020, so we decided to just stick it out. I take all overseas travel and any travel in general quite seriously now, knowing and having a better understanding of its environmental impact. And I also took into very great consideration global health at this point. We are going to be as safe as absolutely possible, doing my best and just trying to do everything with as much mindfulness as possible. While our plan is to be there for 3 months, we are very much open to seeing if we can extend that time. So I also had to keep that extended potential of time, I don't know if that sentence made sense, in mind while I was packing. Future Alyssa here, trying some stuff on. I just wanted to mention that this won't change anything in the type of content that I deliver to you. I will still deliver a video every Sunday, sometimes more if possible. I'll still be on Instagram. We will still be doing the live Shop Your Closet studios. The next one is on March 5th. And I will still be doing the one-on-one virtual styling sessions as well. And I'll keep you posted if any of our plans change or anything like that. Let me show you my little capsule. As always, while putting together my little travel capsule, I took into consideration the weather, and apparently through the months that we're going to be there, it looks like the weather will average between 15 degrees Celsius and like 21, 22. I read on a lot of blogs that it's cold and you should bring jackets and layers, but like we've had a ridiculously long cold snap where it's been -30. So right now 15 degrees Celsius seems pretty balmy to me. I kept my color palette like the exact same as what it normally is. I've got a lot of creams and whites and blues and quite a few black pieces as well. And my pop of color or interest is like a cognac color, which there's not that much of. So let's start with the outerwear. This is where I'm struggling. I'm debating between a couple pieces. I know I'm definitely going to be bringing this jacket. It's not supposed to rain that much when we get there, but I want to have something that is a little bit of a windbreaker, that's waterproof. I found this on Poshmark secondhand, and I just couldn't believe my luck. I think it's cool. It's like a cool mix of sporty and edgy. It packs super, super light. Probably gonna wear this on the plane. Now the two that I'm debating are these two. My really nice light long trench. I just like the idea that it's light but still feels pretty cozy, like I can wrap it up if I need to. Gonna bring this scarf. The other question mark though is this jacket. It's a fairly heavy wool, but I just Okay, I know I said that 15 degrees Celsius will feel super balmy, but I run cold no matter what. And I just have this giant fear of being absolutely frozen the whole time. Next, I'm bringing one blazer. It'll look really good with all of the other silhouettes I'm bringing. It looks really cool with a pair of shorts, my wide leg jeans, my straight leg jeans, and it's just a nice extra layer to have. If I'm really strapped and it's really cold, I feel like actually I could get away with this. Actually, that's pretty great. Next up is my favorite 10 tree sweater. I think it'll do double duty between just if I want to be like cozy, lounging around the house, and also if I'm running and it's cold, then I'll be able to just throw this on. I'm bringing two lightweight sweaters. This one is cashmere, but it is so light and fine, and it's really perfect, I think, for like evening. I like how both of these have very different silhouettes and even vibes, as well as two very different colorways. These also have enough room in them to layer stuff underneath, like my many collared shirts, but they're thin enough also to like be able to throw the blazer on top or the trench coat and not feel too bulky. Two white button downs. That's right, my friends. This makes no sense. My power of my peoples, my #1 shirt BFF. I just think this is such a fantastic weight of material. And then the second is because it's a little bit longer. It's a much lighter fabric. There's no pocket. Probably also good for a swim cover-up. A linen button-down Power of My People shirt. This is more like a very forward-thinking if we end up staying in the summer. Of course, my blue button-down shirt. Sorry, these are all button-ups, not button-downs. This is another one that I think might get the chopping block. Everything here does fit in my suitcase, but I always just feel like less is better when you're traveling. My Cezanne polka dot blouse. I wore this a lot when I was in Montreal. I think it's just nice to have something that is lighter, a little bit more romantic. Two different tank tops. So I've got this white, sporty, ribbed Franken Oak tank that I found secondhand last year. And then I've got something very opposite, which is like slinky, romantic, really great, like 12-year-old silk camisole. Same thing with the two t-shirts. I've got something that feels a little bit more dressy, and then my good old Organic Basics men's tee. I wore this so often over the past 2 summers. I just like how it feels easy. It'll layer really beautifully. 2 pairs of shorts, denim, because I can't go anywhere without it. One of my warmer weather uniforms after shorts and a button-up is jeans and something lighter like a tank top or a short sleeve on top. I'm bringing 2 belts, my Brave leather and then this black one here. I definitely have things that I'm going to be looking for and keeping my eye out for when I'm in Portugal. Shopping secondhand in other cities and other countries is just so much fun. And I love that it often takes you to neighborhoods that you wouldn't otherwise explore. Bringing 1 skirt. I love my cognac silk skirt, but with the shoes I'm bringing, this skirt will be a better match. Next, I've got a pair of linen, they're like a pair of linen joggers almost. These will only come in handy if we stay through to the summer. My faux leather joggers. These I'm gonna wear on the plane. These will be a great around the house kind of item. And also just, you know, if we go out at night and it's really cold, I can easily dress those up with a little heel. I feel like even for me, 2 dresses is a little much. But again, if I'm thinking that we're going to be there in the summer, I think these will come in handy, especially this one because it buttons all the way down to the bottom. So I can also wear it open as a duster. Oh, I should tell you, purses. Ugh, bags. The bane of my existence. You're probably not surprised. My convertible backpack. This is what's gonna come with me on the plane. It fits so much. I have enough black injected kind of throughout that it won't look too harsh. For those of you who follow me on Instagram, I did a call out to find like a medium size, really minimal day/night bag, and I think I had asked about La Fleur Paris, which is a bag that makes cork bags, and it was really cute, but the reviews I got were too mixed for me to actually take the plunge and purchase it. And at the same time, a very, very generous friend of mine told me that I could borrow her Chanel. She's so generous and kind. It's a solid size for day and night, and I think it's just so chic. It looks good with everything. For jewelry, I'm just gonna bring a series of hoops, a couple of my everyday vintage rings, my Luisa paperclip chain necklace, which just works with everything. I would never travel without it. My thin Majuri bangle, I think is just such a great way to add like a little bit of a statement. I'm definitely gonna bring my two-tone metallic Nord green watch. Shoes, 4 pairs. Veja sneakers, I am bringing these with me on the plane. My black and white. Gorgeous, gorgeous shoes. Secondhand find, little sandal. These were actually my aunt's. Loved how they add that nice little rich pop of cognac, and my Manolo Blahnik slingbacks. I will also be bringing my running shoes because I run everywhere I go. I'm bringing 2 pairs of leggings, a 3/4 and a long. I'm bringing 1 long sleeve athletic merino shirt, so that's why I don't think I'm gonna ever need to run in this, but anyway, good to have. I'm bringing 3 sports bras and 2 t-shirts. I don't think I'm missing anything. And you know what? If I am, or if you think I've made mistakes, please don't tell me in the comments because I will have already left. So these are the clothes that I imagine I will be wearing for the next, like I said, anywhere between 3 and 9 months. So I hope you like them because you're gonna see them a lot on the channel. So I hope you liked today's video. I hope you found it helpful. Thank you so much for watching, for spending part of your Sunday with me. It really means so much. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day and a wonderful rest of your week. Thank you again, and I'll be back with another slow fashion video. Ciao!